Do you know that DESMI supplies genuine spare parts kits for all your DESMI pumps throughout the pump's entire lifetime? Pumps are installed during new building or retrofitted during a vessel's life, and remain in service often throughout the vessel's useful life. By knowing which pumps you have on board your vessel, DESMI can tailor spare requirements, allowing for trouble-free, easy and simple maintenance and overhaul of your pumps. Supply us with the serial number or nameplate of any pump, or, even better, a complete list of all DESMI pumps on board a particular vessel or vessels. When DESMI receives either the serial number or the complete pump list, we can pre-select the correct genuine spare parts kits needed. We will then make a tailored list for the specific vessel with your individual pumps and suitable DESMI genuine spare parts kits. As some spare parts are common to different DESMI pumps, you can avoid over-ordering parts or kits that you don't need, especially if there's a one-size-fits-many to service several pumps. Next time you need a spare parts kit for one of your DESMI pumps, simply look into the list with pre-selected spare parts kits. DESMI Genuine Spare Parts Kits. Go to www.desmi.com/aftersales.